Got an installation trick I want to talk about that is not in our instructions. It is a advanced installation method, and one that certainly does not work with every boot and liner combo that you're going to come across. Now, in this case, I've come out the medial side. That's a key piece for this. What I'm going to do now to show how we can make this installation even more functional, longer lasting, more durable, a little bit more effort up front with the installation, but a much more polished, finished product for the end user. We have our slit in the liner where the cable comes out. Now this particular liner, it's super easy because it's got a Velcro pocket here to get at the flow packs. We're going to take that cable, tuck it back into the slit that we created, and be able to get at it from that flow pack access and pull it right through, so that now we've started our travel up that medial side. We have control here as to where this goes, so we can route it above or below the ankle bone, that inside ankle bone. And because we have access here with this pocket, we can reach up through and be able to make an incision or cut some of these stitches on this lateral side to be able to gain access at the top of the liner, so that we can route our cable all the way through. In this case, I'm going to gently grab it with my those pliers. Close my Velcro pocket back up, and there's my cable installed in a way that hides all of it. Any extra that I don't need, I can do my Z-bend, tuck down in. Can take and reinstall my liner inner boot into the shell. And I now have a no-tape installation into this boot. That means the wire is exposed nowhere for rubbing, whether it's just through normal movement in the boot or on-off. We don't have the wire rubbing against any of the plastic or metal components inside the shell.